How to create email content to engage your subscribers. Creating an email list from scratch is definitely the right thing to do, but it is going to take time and effort as well as money. This will all go to waste if you do not keep your email subscribers engaged with the content that you provide to them. So, in this video, we will reveal 6 email engagement tactics that work extremely well. When you use these tactics, you will keep your email subscribers happy, and they will be much more likely to follow your recommendations and make you money. 1. Stand out with your subject lines. If your emails are not being opened, it doesn't matter how engaging the content inside of them is. Your email subject lines are the most important thing that you need to pay attention to. Remember that most of your subscribers will be receiving a lot of emails in their inbox every day, so it is critical that your subject lines stand out from the rest. You need to use powerful subject lines that will spark curiosity with your subscribers. The best email subject lines are short, and they promise a lot. There are different types of subject lines that you can use in order to get the maximum open rates for your emails. These include how-to subject lines, personalized subject lines, intriguing subject lines, informational subject lines. One of the best methods for subject lines is to ask your subscriber a question. People will naturally want to answer questions, so this should lead to higher open rates. Use how-to subject lines as well, as you should get a good open rate response if it is something totally relevant to your niche. People don't like to miss out on good things, so you can use scarcity-based subject lines to good effect. Numbers have good impact as well, so you can use 3 ways to and other number examples in your subject lines. Curiosity is always good with email subject lines. Here, you want to make your email subscribers so curious that they just have to open your emails to find out more. Controversy and surprise can work well too. 2. Personalize your subject lines in emails. We said at the start of this training that we recommend you personalize your emails, so include the subscriber's name in your subject lines for a better response. There have been several studies in this area that prove using a person's name tends to elicit the best response. When people see their name in an email subject line and then in the body of your email, they are more likely to feel that the email was written just for them. If you have thousands of subscribers, which is where we want you to be, then it is impossible for you to actually write personalized emails for everyone. Using their name at least twice is the best you can do here. 3. Use storytelling in your emails. People love a good story, so use this to your advantage. Tell your subscribers how you overcame a problem in your niche, for example. When you can relate this to a product or service, you will have a much better chance of converting them. How did you get started in your niche? There will be some subscribers that are at the starting phase, and they will be able to relate to this. Even if some of your subscribers are experienced in the niche, they will enjoy reading about your journey. Telling stories in your emails is a great way to connect with your subscribers. You can use stories about others as well. Success stories tend to work really well. Tell the story of how someone else succeeded against the odds to inspire your subscribers. 4. Provide value in your emails. Some email marketers only send promotional emails. They believe that the more promotional emails they bombard their subscribers with, the better the results they will achieve. This is not a good strategy, as people will soon get fed up with one promotional email after another. Provide value in all of your emails. Let your subscribers know that you are here to help them and keep reinforcing that message. Answer questions that people have in your niche and explain how using certain products and services can take them to the next level. Plan your email content so that you provide value most of the time. For example, 4 out of 7 emails that you send will only include valuable information and will not promote anything. When you do promote offers, emphasize what is in it for them and the benefits they will receive by taking up the offer. 5. Keep your emails simple. We recommend that you use plain text for your emails. There are many fancy designs that you can use as templates for an email newsletter, but these all tend to make your emails look very commercial. Remember that people do not want to be sold to. One thing that we do recommend is adding a picture of yourself in your emails. This will help to develop the KLT factor, know, like, and trust. Have a good sign-off, which includes the URL of your website. Use a PS in your emails to bring attention to a point that you want to emphasize. How long should your emails be? This is a good question, and there is no right answer. If you can make your emails short, then do this. But don't deprive your subscribers of valuable information by making your emails too short. You can always include a link to a post on your website or a video on your YouTube channel, which provides more detail. This is a good idea if your email will be too long to include everything. Some people will read your emails on a mobile device, and there's only so much scrolling that they will put up with. 6. Use cliffhangers in your emails. The use of cliffhangers is an amazingly effective technique to persuade your subscribers to look out for your next emails. You will need to plan your emails in advance to make this work effectively. At the end of each of your emails, you will tell your subscribers what is coming next. You want to make your subscribers really curious about the next email they will receive from you. Whet their appetite so that they will look out for your next email. If you have a lot of content to share with your subscribers, then break this down into parts. Use a cliffhanger to let your subscribers know what they can expect next. In the next video, we will discuss some free traffic methods you can use to build your email list.